Can you see why I wasted my money? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Purnima and this is a brutally honest video of a product that I should not buy, and it's my duty to aware you of this so you don't do the same mistake that I did. This Gush Beauty Trio Kit, uh, I don't know why I purchased this, because it costed me around 1400 something, and it's too high as per the performance of this kit. It's a mascara kit and it has a volumizing wand and a lengthening wand and also a brow setter, and the case is magnetic. It neither provide length to your lashes nor it gives volume, and it's the formula is too dry. It won't even coat your lashes. Let me show you. It's the volumizing one. Can you see? Can you see how dry it is? Did you see? The formula is so dry that it won't even cover my lash. I don't know why I wasted my money. And let's move on to the lengthening wand. It's the lengthening one. Somewhat it's coating, but I don't know. As per the price point, it the performance should be way better at least, not way better I'm saying, but better at least, because it's not even coating my lashes, so what's the point of buying a mascara? And the brow setter, somewhat it's somewhat good, but not how a brow setter should be. But at least I got this pretty good, at least, because I've already wasted my money, so I should get something, and it is something. Something is better than nothing. But you should not fall in this trap. Don't purchase this lash trio kit from Gush Beauty, because you'd be simply wasting your money. And you shouldn't waste your money because you have worked hard for it. And for me, doesn't matter, because I'm here to give you honest reviews. So here you go. And if you want to see some more reviews of the products that you haven't tried yet, so you can head over to my Insta link, which I've already dropped in my description box. You will see a lot of honest reviews, and you will see a lot of reviews on a lot of brands. So make sure you check it, and I'll also drop some of the good mascaras that I've tried already. So make sure you check that as well. Bye bye. Take care. Take care of your family and friends. See you later.